In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect an Elementor form to Google Sheets using a webhook. To get started, open your web page in Google Chrome and launch it in the Elementor editor. Make sure you're editing the page that contains the form you want to connect. Once the editor is open, locate your form widget and click on it so the form settings appear in the left panel. This is where you'll manage how the form behaves after someone submits it. Next, look for the section called Actions After Submit and expand it. This setting controls what Elementor should do once a visitor fills out the form and clicks Submit. By default, you may already see actions such as email or redirect here, depending on how your form was set up. In this case, you'll want to add either webhook or your Google Sheets integration plugin, depending on the method you're using. If you're connecting through an automation platform like Zapier or Make, choose webhook. If you're using a dedicated plugin that sends entries to Google Sheets, select that option instead. If you're using the webhook method, the next step is to paste your automation webhook URL into the endpoint box. This URL comes from your automation setup and acts as the destination for the form data. When someone submits the form, Elementor will send the form fields to that webhook, and your automation tool can then place the information into your spreadsheet. As you paste the URL, double check that it's complete and formatted correctly, because even a small error can prevent the connection from working properly. After that, click Update to save your changes. This is the step that makes the connection live on your page. Once updated, form submissions will be sent directly through the webhook or plugin to your Google Sheet, depending on the option you selected earlier. As a quick tip, after updating the page, it's a good idea to test the form yourself by submitting a sample entry. That helps confirm the data is reaching the spreadsheet as expected and gives you a chance to catch any setup issues before real visitors start using the form. If the submission doesn't appear right away, check that the webhook was added under Actions After Submit and that the endpoint was pasted into the correct field. That's it. With just a few settings inside Elementor, you can automatically send form submissions into Google Sheets and keep your responses organized in one place.